In this portion of the video, I'm going to show you the stair climbers. Basically, they are in this position when you're going up and down stairs. They have the belts on them that aid you in going up and down stairs and avoiding scuffs or marks on the stairs when you're moving the machine. But also you can lay the machine on its back, and what you do with this is you pull that button and then you load that like that. And the function is, again, to help you put this on a truck. Okay, so what you would do at this point is you would take the machine and you would lay it down like so. This also helps you when you have overhead drains where you have something secured to lay the back of the machine on, and that way you can take care of your overhead drains as well. In this portion of the video, I want to show you the adjustable handle. The advantage of the adjustable handle is if you're in tight spaces or putting it underneath a shelf or something like that, you can still do that, and basically the handle will just come up or straight down and lay on the cover of the motor. So here we have the adjustment knobs, the fasteners for the adjustable handle, and you can do this one of two ways. You can either loosen these from here, or you can move the stair climbers out of the way, loosen your fasteners, and adjust this to where you need to adjust it. And once you're done, you bring your stair climbers back down. Remember not to over tighten these because you can puncture or dent the handle, and at that point it's going to be a little difficult to move because it deforms it.